Hello and welcome back to Mr. English Easy. I'm Mr. James. Today we're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English. This is one of the most important lessons you will ever learn. Why? Because every conversation in English starts with an introduction. When you meet a new friend, a new coworker, or a new neighbor, the first thing you need to say is who you are. If you can introduce yourself with confidence, you will feel proud, and people will understand you clearly right from the first moment. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say your name, your job, your country, your hobbies, and ask simple questions to other people too. You will sound natural, friendly, and confident. So relax, grab a cup of tea or coffee if you'd like, and let's begin. Imagine this. You are at a party. A friendly person walks up to you and says, "Hi, what's your name?" What do you say next? Do you freeze? Do you feel nervous? Don't worry, my friend. After this lesson, you will never freeze again. You will know exactly what to say every single time. Let's start with something easy. Answer this question in your head. What is your name? Simple, right? Now say it out loud. Go ahead, say it. My name is. Excellent. You just did your first English practice today. Let's learn the most important sentence first. My name is James. Repeat after me. My name is James. Now change it to your own name. Say it with me. My name is. Perfect. That wasn't scary at all, was it? There's another way to say this too. We can say, I'm James. This is shorter and very common. Native speakers use this all the time. Repeat after me. I'm James. Great job. Now let's add more information. After your name, people often ask where you are from. Here is how you answer. I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan. Say it with me using your own country. I'm from. Now let's move on to talking about your job or your studies. If you have a job, you say, I work as a teacher. I work as an engineer. I work as a nurse. If you are a student, you say, I'm a student. I study business. I study English. Repeat after me. I'm a student. Now try your own sentence. Pause the video if you need more time. Let me tell you a short story. Last week, a new student joined my English class. Her name was Maria. When she walked in, she was very nervous. She said, hello, my name, Maria, from Mexico. She was worried her English wasn't good enough. But you know what? Everyone understood her perfectly. Why? Because she used simple words and she spoke slowly and clearly. That is exactly what you need to do. You don't need perfect grammar. You need clear, simple sentences. Ready for the next challenge? Let's keep going. Let's learn some important words for introductions. Word 1. Introduce. Meaning, to tell someone your name and information for the first time. Simple explanation. When you meet someone new, you introduce yourself. Example sentence. Let me introduce myself. My name is James. Repeat after me. Introduce. Pronunciation tip. The stress is on the second part. Introduce. Word 2. Nice to meet you. Meaning, a polite phrase we say when we meet someone for the first time. Simple explanation. You say this right after learning someone's name. Example sentence. Nice to meet you, Maria. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Pronunciation tip. Say it smoothly, like one phrase. Nice to meet you. Word 3. Hobby. Meaning, something you enjoy doing in your free time. Simple explanation. For example, reading, cooking, or playing football. Example sentence. My hobby is playing guitar. Repeat after me. hobby. Pronunciation tip. The stress is on the first part, HOB by. Word 4, occupation, meaning, another word for job or profession. Simple explanation. This is a more formal way to ask what someone does for work. Example sentence. My occupation is teaching. Repeat after me, occupation. Pronunciation tip. Stress the third part, occupation. Great work so far. Let's practice using these words. Now it's your turn. I want you to introduce yourself out loud, using everything we learned. Include your name, your country, and your job or studies. Pause the video now and try it. Did you do it? Excellent. Now let's add your hobby too. Try again. My name is, I'm from, I work as, my hobby is. Wonderful. You are already sounding more confident. Let's do a short listening exercise. Listen carefully to this short introduction. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. I work as a doctor. My hobby is painting. Nice to meet you. Now answer these questions in your head. What is her name? Where is she from? What is her job? What is her hobby? Let's check. Her name is Sarah. She is from Canada. She works as a doctor. Her hobby is painting. Did you get them all right? Great job. Let's work on a tricky sound. Many learners struggle with the t sound in words like the and this. Watch my mouth. Put your tongue lightly between your teeth and blow air gently. Try it slowly. This. Now say the full phrase slowly. This is my friend. Now let's say it at natural speed. This is my friend. Repeat after me one more time, a little faster. This is my friend. Excellent. Now let's practice sentence stress. In English, we usually stress the important words. Listen to this. My name is James. Let's talk about common mistakes learners make. Wrong. I am agree. Correct. I agree. Why? Agree is already a verb. We don't need am before it. Wrong. My name it is James. Correct. My name is James. Why? We don't repeat the subject with it. Just say my name is. Wrong. I have 25 years. Correct. I am 25 years old. Why? In English, we use am for age, not have. This is a very common mistake, so remember it well. Now you know the correct way. Well done for learning this today. Let's review quickly. How do you say your name? My name is, or I'm. How do you say your country? I'm from. How do you say your job? I work as, or I'm a student. Perfect. You remembered everything. Let's test what you learned. Answer these out loud. Speaking question. Introduce yourself in one full sentence using your name and country. Vocabulary challenge. What does hobby mean? Say the answer out loud. Listening challenge. I will say a sentence and you tell me the job. I work as a chef. What is the job? That's right, a chef. Pronunciation challenge. Say this sentence smoothly. Nice to meet you. Try it 3 times, a little faster each time. Amazing work. You are doing so well today. Let's summarize everything from today's lesson. We learned how to say our name using my name is and I'm. We learned how to talk about our country using I'm from. We learned how to talk about our job using I work as or I'm a student. We learned the words introduce, nice to meet you, hobby, and occupation. We also learned 3 common mistakes and how to fix them. I want you to remember something important. Every single person who speaks English fluently today was once a beginner, just like you. Mistakes are completely normal. They are part of learning. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Don't be afraid to speak, even if it's not perfect. Confidence matters more than perfection. Here is your homework for today. Speaking task. Introduce yourself out loud to a mirror, a friend, or even your phone camera. Include your name, country, job, and hobby. Writing task. Write 3 sentences introducing yourself in your notebook. Practice this every day, even for just 2 minutes. Small daily practice creates big results. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You did an amazing job. I'm really proud of your progress. If you enjoyed this lesson, please watch another lesson here on Mr. English Easy and keep practicing every day. This is Mr. James, saying goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson.